Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram white screen problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Then you need to go back and open settings and go into the app management. And here you need to go into the app list and search for the Instagram and clear storage and cache. After that you need to uninstall your Instagram application and install your Instagram application again, and you need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again, and then you need to log in your account, and after that you can see that your Instagram work properly. So by following these steps you can easily fix Instagram white screen problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.